A restaurant website is a digital platform created by a restaurant to showcase its menu, ambience, location, and other pertinent information to potential customers. These websites often include features such as online reservations, online ordering for takeout or delivery, photo galleries of the restaurant's dishes and interior, customer reviews, contact information, and sometimes even blog posts or newsletters to keep customers updated on events or specials. The design and functionality of restaurant websites can vary widely depending on the restaurant's branding, target audience, and technological capabilities.